Hey, what's up, guys? Conrad with TSM Roofing. We were out here at the Strand's residence. This we'll wrap up today. It's been 2 days. Real quick, this is what they had on the roof for the last 19 years now. I mean, you can see how brittle this stuff is. This is just your average 30-pound paper that most builders put on these homes when they're building them. He was starting to get some leaks, so we opted out to get rid of that and go with the MB Technology TU43. They actually ended up going with 2 layers, which is cool because you get a 30-year warranty. Now, they didn't know if they were going to be in this house for the next 5 or if they were going to, sell the house, what they were going to do. So this has got a transferable warranty, which was a big selling point for them and made them feel comfortable that they have something to provide for the next homeowners and that they're going to have a solid roof on their house for as long as they're going to be there. So TU43, what is it? Why is it good? This is a SBS membrane fiberglass matting inside. It's super pliable, but it's super strong. It's like a 40-pound. It self-seals around all the nails that go through. It's just a really great product. Like I said, it's got a 30-year warranty if you go with the 2-layer option, which a lot of homeowners do. This is a product that we put on probably 70% of the roofs. So as you can see, the guys are working up there. When you're doing a tile R&R, you get to keep your tiles. That's a misconception that some people think is, oh, well, how much is it going to cost? It's got to be a lot because I got to change the tiles, right? No. What they do is they just stack those tiles up, get rid of that old paper. You're going to get new underlayment, new battens, and then we're going to put your tiles right back. So your cosmetic of your house will stay the same unless you want to change it. It's not a super costly project. It is a big home renovation, but it's something that, every homeowner is probably going to have to deal with at least once in their life. So give us a call if this is something that you're looking to do. We're out here in the Trilogy area right now in Vistancia. So give us a call.